Hey guys, I'm Rishabh. Welcome to Soberish. So today I have something for the mango lovers in you. I'll be making the Chilli Mango Margarita or the Mangorita. Mangorita. So for this cocktail, you will be needing a blender. Let's get started. So first of all, take about one mango. Next up, add some ice. After the ice, pour about 60 ml of tequila. Come on top of that with some vodka. And if you have a flavored vodka, even better. Give it a try. 30 ml of vodka. To top it up, squeeze one lemon in this. So once this is done, let's get to the blending.
A few moments later.
So now, take out your margarita glass and we'll be rimming this with a mixture of salt and red chili powder. So first, squeeze a lemon around the rim of the glass. And now to the rimming. So once your glass is ready, take your mixture and pour it on top. So now we'll garnish this with some red chili. Okay, to be completely honest with you, I did not think it will turn out this amazing. And you should definitely give this a try if you're a mango lover. And even if you're not, this is just something for the seasons. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to hit like, share and subscribe, and definitely give this a try. Until next time, cheers!